Occasionally, any AM plumbing system may develop a leak. This is usually caused by extended use, excessive wear, or even over-torquing the fittings or hose ends. Earl's Conical seal kits provide an immediate and permanent repair, especially when you're out on the road or at a race where replacement parts are hard to come by. Earl's Conical seals are easily installed and available in all the popular AN sizes from -3 all the way up to -16. You simply put the conical seal between the flare and hose end and tighten up to spec, just like that. The conical seals will never fail, never wear out, and last till the next time you open the connection. The seals work in extreme temperatures and are specifically made for 37-degree AM fittings and hose ends. Instead of replacing the worn or damaged parts, you can easily do a quick and reliable economical repair. The conical seal forms a leak-free gasket between the hose end and the flare on the fitting. By using the proper tools such as Earl's AN wrenches, you can prevent over-torquing the hose end fittings. The following chart shows torque values for AN fittings in both stainless and aluminum. Always be sure to lube the mating surfaces and threads prior to assembly with the designated working fluid. For those unexpected times, make sure you have Earl's Conical seal kits in your toolbox or trailer. Part number 169101 ERL has 4 conical pieces of each size ranging from -3 to -16. Thanks for watching. For more information on Earl's products, visit earlsplumbing.com.